My name is Tarzan.
And my name is Scarlett. Today me and my daddy are going to give you a full tour of our van.
So we'll start here. Wow, you're neat. So this is our van. As you can see, it's very jungle, very animal print. Our bed frame pulls out all the way to here. I will show you. All the way out to here. And then we either have these cushions slot in here, or we have these back cushions which slot in here. We have this sunroof, we have spotlights, we have more spotlights, smoke alarm, carbon monoxide alarm, sun plugs, YouTuber board, more power, so we have USBs, 12 volt, spotlights, fridge, water pump. This is our diesel heater. So the fuel tank of the diesel heater is in the back, under here. At the back, obviously remove the bags for that. This is mine and Scarlett's climbing stuff. I climb almost every day.
I climb 3 to 4 days in a week.
Now, even though this is a medium wheelbase sprinter, not a long wheelbase sprinter, we still have loads of storage space. This is all Scarlett's stuff. Scarlett doesn't keep things very tidy, but these are Scarlett's clothes. We basically use the shower. Oh yeah, we have a shower. Here's the shower, but we've never used it because gym every day. So I shower either at the gym or climbing or both, and Scarlett will shower at climbing. So we've never used the shower. It's a wardrobe. If you follow me, you'll know I'm a big fan of the North Face. My clothes are spread out. I have some here, coats and jackets here, t-shirts and vests in here, shorts and trousers in there. Other clothes I have here. Now this drawer is used just as general storage, power banks, wires, electrical stuff. Just a few necessary things. Sink, boosh. Sink cover doubles up as a chopping board. We have a tap, utensils, toothbrushes, some bits, toiletries, and then up here I have cooking equipment, pan, plates, dishes, some cleaning stuff, and then I keep towels and stuff back there. Ice axes, in case I want to summit the mountain, random bits, sun creams, mouthwash. This mouthwash is fantastic. Grip training. I'm not going to pull it out, but in there is a compost toilet that we have never used. It's still in the packaging. And the reason for that is we're always out. We're never really in the van. So the only time we're inside the van is to sleep at night. And in that circumstance, we have an emergency camping toilet, which just pops out. It's a foldable one, and then we have bags, and then dispose of them. This is a lifesaver because I have a like half-an-inch gap in the bottom of my door where it's just, I don't know, over time moved. So that stops mosquitoes and flies coming in at night time when the lights are on. Lots of cushions. Behind the cushions we have two really big cushions, and underneath those cushions we have a cupboard. Underneath this we have a cupboard, and that is where I keep my recording equipment. So I have a microphone in there, stand, pop shield, everything, which I just put up here. You may have seen on my Instagram. That's how I record music. Now this drawer here, it's a hob that's never been used. And the reason it's never been used is because I have a camping cooker. Camping cooker. It's just much easier, and I'd rather cook outside, so there's no spitting of juice and meat and oil and shit. It's just much better cooking outside. Under this one is our fridge. As you can see, fridge freezer. I don't keep much in it though, because we buy food for each day, or I don't do a weekly shop, mainly because I don't have storage for a weekly shop. But I go to shops most days anyway, so it's not a problem.
So here we have cooking oil, cups, paprika for our burgers, Daddy's supplements, he's got his gorilla mug, and then in here we've got my rice cakes and bananas, nuts, and peanut butter, pre-workouts, ketchup, coffee. We have all of the pictures from mine and Daddy's holidays from when I was little.
2023 adventures.
We've got some of Disneyland, some of Iceland,
Now up here is just general bits. I keep undershorts, boxers, socks, and then Scarlett's got like a few teddies and just bits that she plays with. That is from Zimbabwe. That feather is from South Africa. We have a mirror. Here we have sheepskin rugs for extra comfort.
This is where my daddy does grip training before climbing. He's super strong.
We go around to the back of the van. Lovely Scarlett is up there. You will see first we have a bouldering mat.
Because we climb.
Bag of rope.
For climbing.
Right, we have camping chairs. Pretty self-explanatory. Tank here. So this is for the diesel heater, which is on the other side. I just showed you earlier. Each bag is for a different thing. So this is tents and camping equipment. This is my shin guards, boxing gloves and everything for MMA. This is random bits. That one is wetsuits and water shoes. This leopard suitcase here is snorkels, diving equipment. We have trekking poles there. Behind the suitcases, tie pads. We have oars, and we have oars for our fishing kayak, which is kept on the side here. These are tracks. These have got us out of very sticky situations. Aloha. So we got stuck in snow in Croatia, and these were very handy at that time. Fuel tank, I've never used that, but it's just there. The water tank. So I only need to fill that like once every 2 weeks. Mainly because I only use water for washing up. If I showered, it would go a lot quicker. I have friends who have a similar water tank to me and they have to fill it up every couple of days, which is a pain in the arse. So I'd much rather shower in the climbing gym. Fire extinguisher. Hopefully we never need to use that. Nunchucks. Anyway, my arse then, with some flip flops. Back here we have all of our power. Solar inverter. All of this is wired up to 2 leisure batteries which are under the passenger seats in the front. That gives me enough power to basically run anything. So I can charge like all devices, it'll do the diesel heater, the water pump, charge my laptop. 240 hookup for if we're ever at a campsite, very unlikely. Back here we also have helmets, climbing helmets, Scarlett's helmet and pads, and Scarlett's skateboard.
This is our giant solar panel.
Up here we have a very big roof rack and a huge solar panel. The kayak is on the side because when it's on here, it literally takes up half the roof, so the sunroof doesn't open, and we get like significantly reduced power, which is not ideal. So instead it's locked to the side of the van. I'm gonna have to put some sort of barrier there though, because it's scratched the paint on the side. Here we have a bicycle rack that's never been used. These very powerful spotlights. I'm actually gonna paint the van. I don't like this color. It was this color when I got it. Thinking full tiger print, orange van, black stripes with the Tarzan Expeditions logo big on the side there. So let me know in the comments if you think I should do that.
Front of the van. So here we have the speaker, right here. Yes, for music. We have some of my birthday presents. This is our van mascot from Mexico.
So this was
This giraffe is from Zimbabwe. This baobab is from Madagascar. Here in the front, my daddy keeps his weights and parallettes so he can work out in the sun. So we got 25s and 12 and a half. So right here we have a 10-litre water pump for washing up and washing hands. And if we go to the beach, we can have a quick rinse down.
And that is a full tour of our van. As you can see, it's got everything we need. We've had this for a year now. And in the year that we've had it, we've driven nearly 20,000 miles. We've gone as far as Greece and zigzagged right across Europe. If you like our van tour, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Follow along on our adventures. Go to tarzanswildlife.bio to see all of our other pages. And also,
go to tarzanexpeditions.com to travel with my daddy.